Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on BlackBull Markets. Right now we are here at TradingView because I recommend you to use TradingView as a trading platform, because in TradingView you can do the best analysis, and I think, and that is my opinion, that TradingView is the best platform to trade with. So now I logged in with my BlackBull Markets account, and it's very simple. If you go to trading accounts right here, demo, you can click right here on trade now. So trade now, and then he will send us right here to the TradingView webpage. And if you want to buy and sell, it's very simple. First of all, we search right here for a symbol. So we search right here for Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. And then right now we can select right here buy. Then we select here market order because I want a directly order. And then we select right here the units. So let's do units 1, that is fine. Or sorry, no, 0.1, that is fine. And then we select right here just buy. So if you click now here on buy and we go here to positions, you see right here that we created ourselves for a quantity of 0.1 Bitcoin. If you want to sell, we select right here sell, and then you can click right here on sell. And then we also created right here for ourselves a nice position on Bitcoin for a short position. This is how you can buy and sell. You can also turn on right here exits if you want to create a take profit or a stop loss. But be careful, if you just click right here on sell, you will sell or buy immediately. So this is how you can buy and sell right here on BlackBull Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.